In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Etsy seller account. We'll go step by step so you can get your shop opened smoothly and know exactly what to expect along the way. First, head to Etsy.com. On the homepage, look for the shop or sell option and click it to begin the seller onboarding. When the welcome screen appears, select Let's do this to get started. Etsy will ask a few quick questions about your plans. Choose the option that best describes you and continue. These answers help personalize your setup experience. They don't lock you into a particular path, so pick what feels most accurate. Next, choose Start your shop. You'll set your shop preferences first. Select your shop language. This is the language you'll write your listings in. Then choose your country and currency. It's smart to pick a currency that matches how you want to be paid to minimize conversion fees. Take a moment to review these choices, then select Save and continue. Now, name your shop. Enter a name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. If your first choice is taken, try a simple variation that still feels on brand. Keep it clean and readable, and avoid special characters that may not be allowed. When you're happy with it, save and continue. Next is how to get paid. Start by selecting the country where your bank account is located. Save, and then fill in your banking details. Make sure the account holder name and address match your bank records exactly to avoid verification delays. Carefully double-check your account number or IBAN before you save and continue. You'll then add your billing information. Enter a valid credit or debit card for fees and identity verification. Etsy may show a small setup or listing fee here. Review the details so you know what you're agreeing to, then choose Review Setup Fee and continue. On the final screen, set up your shop security. Follow the prompts to verify your email and enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Pick the method you prefer, such as an authentication app or text, and complete the steps. Keep your recovery codes in a safe place. That's it. Your Etsy seller account is created. From here, you can fine-tune your settings, customize your shop, and prepare your first listings. Before you publish anything, quickly recheck your preferences, payment details, and billing info to make sure everything is accurate. If you ever need to update something, you can return to your shop settings at any time. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new Etsy shop.